it's Anya, and today I really want to make some Rice Krispie treats, and it's almost Independence Day for America. I'm not American and I'm not living in America. I'm South African, living in South Africa, but I thought it would be nice to just celebrate their Independence Day. So I'm combining the Rice Krispie treats with the American colors, red, white, and blue. And if you like this video, give it a like, comment, and subscribe to my channel for more videos. Over medium heat, melt 1 tablespoon of butter, then add 1 cup of marshmallows and stir until melted. Once melted, add the color of your choice. I added 1 tablespoon of red food coloring, add 1 cup of Rice Krispies and mix until well combined. Press out into a dish that is lined with baking paper and repeat this process for all the colors you want to make. I chose red, white and blue for the 4th of July. When I repeated this step, I added 1 tablespoon of blue food coloring to the blue layer. Add a popsicle stick if you want. Allow to rest for about 2 hours. Cut and enjoy.